Second doses of the Pfizer vaccine are going out at DHR Health.
And when it's finished, more than 5,000 people will have completed their 2-dose vaccine regimen. Here's Channel 5's Kristen Von Pricey.
Well, the lines are moving steadily to meet that goal, and the hospital now needs everybody who came for their first vaccine 3 weeks ago to come back for their second dose. Today at the conference center at DHR Health, set up for a mass vaccination. The Pfizer vaccine is getting prepared once again. The saltwater solution it goes in, and the mRNA samples being kept cool until the last minute before the two parts are mixed together. Out on the floor, the first of 5,820 people are back for their second dose.
It's tremendously important. The individual should look at their vaccine card that was handed to them after the first dose. Look at the date that's on the back of that card. That date will indicate when they should receive that second dose.
That date is now here for the first people who got their vaccine at DHR Health. 3 weeks ago, the first doses went out to those 5,850 people. Now all of them need to come back to complete the regimen.
The second dose is ultimately helping booster the immune system and helping build the antibodies that hopefully will last for a certain number of months.
DHR Health is urging all those people who got their first dose to come back. And the challenge now, the rules say those second doses have to go to the same patients that got their first doses. No exceptions.
We'll keep them in the freezer until we have to utilize them.
And if someone doesn't show up, they're going to have to store those doses and wait for further instructions.
The doses are still stored in ultra freezer temperature. We'll get direction from CDC or the state to be able to utilize those doses as soon as we possibly can.
DHR Health has its doors open to those patients who need to come back, and they say they'll individually contact those who don't make it back in time. This second dose they're doing now, the same blend as the first.
It's the same as the first. Any effects that you felt with the first is probably the same. Minimal symptoms, maybe just some slight fatigue, maybe a slight fever that ultimately dissipates in about 24 hours. Pretty seamless. I took the dose 24 hours ago and I feel perfectly fine.
Staff here are now working to finish those doses before the next round are expected to arrive. DHR Health is asking people to come back for their second dose by Sunday. Again, this is only for people who came in for their first dose already 3 weeks ago. Doors will be open there Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Kristen Von Pricey, Channel 5 News.